Yo, hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumrock Luna here for another toy review. So happy Pink Friday to everyone. So let's go. Let's talk about our SHF figure arts from the Sandland series, which is Beelzebub. Alright, so let's go. So ito na nga guys. Toy review na natin ng SHF figure arts Beelzebub from the Sandland series. So, ito guys is co-created with Tamashii Nation Bandai. So, sa mga magko-collect, first time collectors, and gusto nyo ng anime, I will suggest one brand which is the SHF. Ay, ito na siya. Alright? So, ito guys, mas maliit siya sa regular na 6-inch figure ng SHF. Just to remind you, or just to inform you that the height of this is at around 4.33 inches. So guys, ang makikita nyo ngayon is isa sa mga accessories na kasama sa inclusion. Kung napanood nyo ang unboxing video ko, ito yan, yung scarf, which is nagiging cape. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, napakaangas. Ayan. And yung another accessories na kasama is the sunglasses, alright, na pwedeng ilagay sa eyes. Kasi merong isa, yung default, which is pwedeng ilagay sa ulo. Now, remind you guys as well, dahil matagal na rin yung figure na to, yung ginawa nila kasi dito sa accessory na to, sa goggles, medyo nagkakaroon siya ng paint marks. Ayan. Makikita niyan. In the long time, in the long run, kasi yung default niya laging nasa noo. Kaya, some of the head sculpt na kasama siya. So, ang points of articulation nito guys is at around 20 to 20 points of articulation. Maganda rin dyan sa halos lahat naman ng SHF na nahawakan ko is their shoulders can do 360 degrees. Yung head, it depends on the body kasi may times ang ibang SHF may armor. So, hindi lahat nakaka-rotate ng 360 degrees. Ito, nakaka-rotate ng 360 degrees if without the scarf. Okay? Pag may scarf, medyo nagkakaroon ng limitation, then yung cape niya. Alright? Tsaka napaka-simple yung mold lang niya, lalong-lalo na yung hindi siya double jointed for the knees sa bending, kaya medyo may limit ang pagbe-bend niyang kanyang knees. And as well with the elbows as well dito. Ayan. Ang pinakapanalo dito kasi guys, para sa akin is the accessories na kasama ni Beelzebub. Ang details naman niya, kuwang-kuha niya from the anime series na Sandland. Napakasulit, napakaganda guys. Kung napanood nyo yung series, sulit panoorin yun guys. Wala akong masabi. Okay? So, for me, every SHF is an awesome action figure, and regardless kung anime fan ka or other action figures or series yan, napakaganda basta gawa ng Tamashii Nation SHF figure arts. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Mapa Mask Rider Black, Ultraman, or even the Marvel MCU, mga Batman, sulit na sulit. Okay? Pero for me, SHF for anime, panalo yan. Wala akong masabi. Kuwang-kuwa ang bawat details niya. Kaya it varies sa articulation depending on the figure itself, guys. So articulation for me, it's 10 out of 10. Detail wise, 10 out of 10. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, So, sobrang dami ba naman ng accessories nito. Hindi naman lahat ng SHF. May 5 alt head with his facial expression, with the cape as well, scarf, and then ito, mayroon siyang extra arm na naka-cross. Ayan, with the bottle. Ayan, makikita nyo naman sa video, guys. And as well, alternate hands. Diba? Ayan. So, yun lang naman. Just a quick toy review for our SHF Tamashii Nation Bandai Beelzebub from the Sandland series. And syempre, sino pa bang gagawa nito? Ng animation niya, syempre si Akira Toriyama lang naman. Alright, so hope you enjoy this quick toy review. Sa mga new collectors dyan, lalo na anime and Dragon Ball Z fan ka, this is a must. So again, this is Sumarak Luna. Thank you for watching. Please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review. So again, guys, happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. See ya when I see ya. Bye-bye.